Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to access and use the hidden web browser on PS5 and use Google search directly on your console. So let's get started. From the PS5 home screen, move to settings, cogwheel icon. Inside settings, select accessibility. Then display and sound. On the right side, select zoom and then turn on enable zoom. This option is important and will help us later when using the browser. Now go back to settings once again, this time open system. Select web browser and make sure enable JavaScript is turned on. This is required for the websites like Google to load properly. Once both settings are enabled, go back to settings. Now select users and accounts. From here, switch to linked services. On the right side, choose YouTube. Now select link. And on this screen, select use browser. This tab will open the hidden PS5 web browser. On the browser screen, look at the bottom right corner and select terms. This will load a web page. Next, tap the Google Apps icon and then select search app. You will now see Google search open on your PS5. To make the browser fit the screen properly, press PS button and square button at the same time. And that's it. You now have access to PS5 web browser and you can use Google search directly on your console. I hope this helps. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.